love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video, I have a human hair wig review for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. I have worked with them several times over the last like 3 years. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing before you leave. We do a little bit of everything on this channel. Obviously wig reviews, that's like my main thing. But I also do makeup, I do fashion content, and I'm going to be doing a lot more home decor stuff on this channel as well. So please consider subscribing. Shout out to all of my returning subscribers and my Premiere Squad for watching this with me right now. If you want to be a part of Premiere Squad, all you have to do is subscribe and make sure your notifications are turned on. You'll be informed every time I drop a new video. And to keep up with me in between videos, definitely follow me on Instagram because I'm very active on there at 𝐂𝐸𝐴𝐶𝐶𝐞. So, alright, I'm going to be reviewing this Kinky straight wig, and she looks so good. Like, it was a little touch and go there when I was thinking of doing like a flip over look without a defined part, but I was like, let me stop fighting this part and just do a defined part, and it looks good. Okay, I'm gonna read the specs for you guys first. Alright, so this is the Invisible HD Lace Kinky Straight 13x6 frontal wig, and it says it has a natural clean hairline and bleached knots. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to have to bleach your knots, they already did it for you. This is 18 inches. This is actually pretty long for 18 inches. And I'm 6 feet tall, and this is, you know, where it's falling on me right here. That's pretty long for 18 inches. This looks like it's like 22. Very interesting. This is 150% density, which is like, this is thick, but it's like not too poofy looking. This is really, really pretty. It's a natural color. I have a medium size cap. I will say, you saw me like take out some of my edges. It's because with the medium cap, I felt like it wasn't covering my entire head like I wanted it to. So my edges were exposed, so I didn't fight it. I just worked with it. If they offer a large cap, go with that instead. But I don't feel like it's uncomfortable. It's just, it didn't cover all of my edges like I wanted it to. It has a pre-plucked hairline. And we'll get to that. A pre-plucked hairline and pre-bleached knots, adjustable strap, and an elastic band within the cap. It's 100% human hair. And like I said, it's a 13x6 lace front wig. So let's look at this price. Okay, so the starting price for this wig is $282. So this is, you know, it's up there. And then I have 18 inches, so this is going to be $356. And then I have HD lace, so that's going to be an additional charge, so it's going to be $386. So this is going to be a more expensive wig, but I gotta say I'm not mad at it, and we'll get into the pros and the cons and everything of this wig. So I went ahead and washed this wig I co-washed this wig using the Cream of Nature conditioner. And the reason why I used that instead of my Aussie conditioner is because it was right in front of me, and I just used what I have on hand. So I co-washed it with that, and I let it air dry overnight. And then today I went ahead and just flat ironed it with my Densely flat iron. I'll put this in my Amazon storefront. All of the supplies that I used to get my wig together will be in my Amazon storefront. And then I obviously used my Andis hot comb to get my roots and everything together. And I laid my wig down again with an Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I actually really like this. I first heard about this spray from Taste Pink and Wheezy Wig Reviews, and so I just decided to pick it up. I like how it dries down really fast, and it has a good hold to it. But keep in mind, I am not a person that sleeps in my wigs, so I don't know how it lasts like days on end, but that's not what I need it for. I just need it to look good for a day because I'm going to take it off at night because I don't like sleeping with stuff on my head. And then I followed it up with some got2b Glute gel in the black bottle to smooth it and further melt this lace. So as far as the pros and the cons, I only have one con for this wig. I showed you guys what this hairline looked like before it was any manipulation, and it looked pretty thick to me. You can tell they did tweeze it, but it wasn't tweezed up enough for me. So that was a con for me because I did have to put more work into it. And I'm going to show you guys, this is all the hair that I tweezed out of the hairline, which is quite a bit, but so worth it for this look. Okay, that's the only con I have. Everything else is a win. This hair feels so soft. It felt soft before I washed it. It feels soft now. I do have some faint crinkles in it, but a lot of my kinky straight wigs do, but it's not like overwhelming. After I flat ironed it, it's not as apparent. And if the back has any like ripples or anything, I can't see back there. So there might be some. The hair feels very soft. Even though this is a kinky straight texture, it's not too thick to where it's like I wouldn't wear it at all. I live in the South. It's already super hot, like 90 degrees, but I would still wear this. Like, I'm keeping this on the rest of the day. This is so freaking gorgeous. Hair is beautiful. Hair quality is beautiful. I love this density. I love the length on me. Oh, and another con was the cap. The cap's a little bit too small for me. It didn't cover all my edges, but I know how to finesse it to make it work for me, and I made it work. So I did put some eyeshadow on my lace on this side just to make it look a little bit better. Some black eyeshadow. Okay, another pro, this lace. So lately I haven't been tinting my lace on my wigs because I noticed with the even lace tint and light warm brown, it's a little bit too red, a little bit too orange. And so it looks good on camera, but when I go outside, it always looks like you can obviously see my lace because it doesn't match my complexion well. So I've stopped using that shade. And recently I watched Deanna Monet, and she used the even tint spray, but she had light beige, and I was like, I didn't even know they made that shade. So that is on the way after watching one of her recent videos. So we'll see what that's like. But for now, I did not tint this lace. All I did was, when it came time for me to blend my foundation on my forehead, I put a little bit on there, but I didn't overwhelm it with foundation because I didn't want, you know, it to get cakey and, you know, throw off the color. So the lace melts down very beautifully and it looks natural outside. I've been doing sunlight tests in a lot of my recent videos, and I think that might be a staple on my channel that I continue to do because I feel like it's valuable and very useful to you guys. So I did that again, and it looks good outside and in natural lighting in my house and natural lighting when I went outside. So I'm impressed with the lace. And for me, lace and the hairline makes or breaks a wig, and this passes with flying colors, as it should, because this is, you know, teetering on that $400 price point. So I think this looks very natural and very beautiful. And I feel good in it, because that's what you want with your wigs. You want your wigs to feel, you want to feel really good in the wigs that you wear. And I feel really good in this. Like I said, when I was doing that flip over look without the defined part, I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel about it, but it looks so good, y'all. Yeah, so those are the pros and cons there. You have the cap's a little bit too small for my head, which is a 23-inch circumference head. It didn't cover all of my edges, so that's a con. And then the hairline was pretty thick, but I know how to tweeze my hairline, so I finessed it and got it to work for me. So if you don't know how to tweeze your hairline, I do have a standalone tutorial that I can direct you to, so just watch that on my info card. Overall, I really like this. I think it's stunning. It's stunning, and it feels so good. Like, I really like this wig. So I'm a simple girl. I like black, natural black wigs, straight, and then boom. This is gorgeous, y'all. So if you are interested in this wig, I'll have it linked down below. If they have any coupon codes or any discounts or anything, those will be linked down there as well. If, emphasis on if, because some companies don't have that. So thank you to OMGHerHair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in and supporting my channel and always commenting and interacting with me. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, again, consider subscribing for more content, because I have more coming for you guys as always. My posting schedule is usually Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Sometimes I'm off that, so if you subscribe and have your notifications turned on, you'll just be informed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Thing you say makes it better.